This year, in our additive manufacturing, we have NAMIC forming an industry pavilion for the 3D printing sectors. Let's visit some of the booths. Let's go! Hi, we are at the spare part 3D booth and let's see what they are doing now. So are you all doing like 3D printing of spare parts?
So actually we are not printing, we are helping the company to identify the part that should be printed.
Oh, okay.
Our mission is to facilitate the adoption of 3D printing by the industrial company.
All right.
When we discuss with our customers, the main pain that we identify is that they don't know what part should be printed.
All right. Yeah.
So originally our founder developed a methodology which is making a technical assessment, means what part should be printed. And they also can have an economical assessment, what are the parts that shall be printed.
I see.
And out of that, we give them a roadmap, which is the matrix that you see there, which is basically helping our customers to understand the priority, where they should invest their resources.
Hi, we are now at Additive 3D Asia. So do you mind to let me know like what's new that you're offering?
Definitely. So we have a new technology in 3D printing called industrial vapor smoothing. One of the weaknesses of 3D printing is that it is not airtight, watertight, and it's also not smooth on the surface. So we help customers actually transform the part to be from a prototyping part to be an end-use part. For example, you see this medical product. Touch the surface.
Oh, it's a bit rough.
It's a bit rough.
Yes.
After a short post-processing, touch this part.
Oh, it's really different. Like it's so smooth.
Yes, it is very close to an injected molded part. So this is a new technology that's offered by Additive 3D Asia that we help customers transform prototyping parts from small batch to serial production batches, and they can use it as an end-use part. So this improves the performance of the part, as well as for the medical industry, clean room industry, it reduces bacterial growth.
Oh wow, that's very good, especially with the pandemic now.
Exactly.
You know, this is much needed.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for today. Hello everyone, we are now at Trump's booth, and they are actually under one of the additive manufacturing segments. So do you want to actually share with us more your product?
Yeah, of course. Trump is a manufacturing technology, especially for laser technologies. We have been famous, or we are famous, for sheet metal production machine punching, laser cutting and bending. But within the last 30 years, we developed more and more laser technology. That means we make the laser in-house by ourselves. And these lasers are used for many different industries. Can be, of course, for cutting and welding in the sheet metal industry, but you can also use it for semicon, for example, for cutting OLED displays. You can use it for cutting very fine structures, foils that you don't have a heat input, or you can do hardening, laser cladding, or 3D printing.
That's very wide.
Yes,
that's
yeah,
very
absolutely.
cool. So it's a very advanced technology, I would say.
Correct.
So
for some machines, we actually offer also machine solutions, like I said, the sheet metal industry, but also for 3D printing, for example. When we have machines where you can build up material out of copper with a special laser.
All right, because this is very solid, so you will need laser to cut through it.
We build up the material out of powder. It's a micro welding process, but very precise and very accurate with a very high material specification.
All right, cool. That's very cool. Thank you for sharing. Hello everyone, we're now at SLM Solutions booth. They're one of the exhibitors under Additive Manufacturing segment. Sir, do you want to share more with us on your key products?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So SLM Solutions, as you know, is a German-based company. So we're the pioneers of selective laser melting. And so what we do is that we specialize in metal 3D printing. And our products here ranges across different industries. We talk about aerospace, automotive, tooling, oil and gas, even in the medical sectors. So we have many parts here on display today. And I think the key thing is that we want to let people know that what we're doing, the products that we have is all ready for commercial production, which means that customers who are buying the machines right now are actually producing as part of their manufacturing process.
They are producing already.
Correct.
All right, that's very cool. Thank you for sharing today. Hello everyone, we are now at EOS booth. EOS is actually one of the exhibitors under Additive Manufacturing segment. Sir, do you mind to introduce more on your products and your company to us?
US is a technology provider for 3D printing. We focus on powder bed fusion technology. And under powder bed fusion technology, they have metal powder bed fusion technology, direct metal laser sintering, or selective laser sintering technology for polymer. So we serve different industry from aerospace, medical, oil and gas, marine, and many other industry.
Hello everyone, we are now at Nanyang Technological University, NTU's booth. They are one of the exhibitors for additive manufacturing segment. Sir, do you mind to share with us what are you featuring today?
Sure, right. So today we are showing different technology of additive manufacturing or simply 3D printing. So we have metal printing, we have polymer printing, concrete printing, and even electronic printing for the various industry like medical industry, aerospace, future manufacturing, marine offshore, building construction, even electronic industry.
Oh, I see. That's cool. So do you involve like students in doing any projects?
Yes. We involve a lot of PhD students in 3D printing or even master students. So they're working on specific research project for the basic research.
That's really cool. So they will get to learn and also to get to do research and like on the ground kind.
Yes, true. In fact, we also work very closely with industry, inter-industrial collaboration with companies to do research projects.
All right, thank you so much for sharing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello everyone, we are now at Siemens booth. Siemens is one of the exhibitors under additive manufacturing sector. So do you mind to share more with us on what you are featuring today?
Yeah, welcome on the Siemens booth. So our main topic for sure is industrial transformation. So what we show is how we move topics and problem statements, use cases from the real industry into a virtual environment. And therefore we basically create what we call a digital twin. Digital twin is actually the picture and the simulation of a real production in a virtual environment, which gives you a possibility to react much more faster and much more flexible with just one mouse click and then adapt it into the real world.
Yeah, cool. Like, due to the pandemic, a lot of things have to go virtual. So I think this is a very cool features you have today.
So we have come to the end of all 4 segments of the virtual walkthrough. We would like to thank you for being with us this far.
Hope you have enjoyed and found this walkthrough insightful. And we're looking forward to welcoming you in person next year when the world gets a little better.
So stay safe and have a wonderful rest of 2021.
Goodbye.
See ya!